It takes literally like less than 5 minutes.
What?
Honestly, less than 5 minutes.
All because of one caller. Now he wanna spend dollar. I only do big baller. I only do.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to this channel and you want to join my family, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the post notification bell. If you like this video, leave a like and leave a comment down below to let me know that you liked it. If you are interested in this sexy red wine hair, check out my previous video. It is the Battle of the Fall Wigs. Alright, so I'm going to leave it up in the cards. Alright, so let's get into today's video. This is another Amazon wig slay, you guys. This is the third time I've worked with this particular company. I want to thank AISI Hair, AISI. I want to thank this particular company again for sending me another affordable Amazon slay, you guys, so I can bring them out to you. All right, so if you are interested in what they sent me today, and you probably already know because you saw the thumbnail and the title, stay tuned. They sent me some headbands. Okay, so this is a headband wig, 20 inches long, straight. All right, it's a natural black. It's synthetic hair, and it's super affordable, you guys. Okay, and this is how it looks. Okay, you guys, let's get into this review. All right, so this is the second headband wig that I have tried on my channel. The first one I tried a few weeks ago, and it was a curly human hair short 14-inch headband wig, and so this one is a 20-inch synthetic headband wig. I like it. I'm just not the biggest fan of long synthetic hair anymore. It's too problematic for me. I feel like long synthetic hair tangles and it sheds too much, you know, for my taste. But as far as the style, like I do like how sleek it looks. The hair feels extremely soft. I do like the actual headband. The headband I feel like can cover the black band underneath. And the one I tried on a couple of weeks ago, the headbands that they sent me, I just couldn't cover the black band for some reason. You know, it's just my issue. It's my issue, you guys. But yeah, overall I like the hair. I'm just more concerned about it tangling and it shedding. If you have a quick run to make and you want to run errands, go to the bank, go to the grocery store, and you don't really want to do your hair and you just want to plop something on and go, this will be the choice. All right, it takes literally like less than 5 minutes, honestly, less than 5 minutes to throw this on. Now I listed some of the pros. One of the cons would be, I don't know if this is necessarily big head friendly. Okay, I have a very small head and this is fitting me kind of tight, you know, not super tight, but it is snug. And that is something that I noticed in my other video when I reviewed the other headband wig. That was pretty tight as well. And so for it to be tight on me with a small head, I'm not sure how somebody with a bigger size head can fit this comfortably. Okay, what do you think? Don't forget to like this video on your way out, comment down below, and I will see you in another video. Thank you so much for stopping by. All right, take care.